Hello, I'm Martin Salgado with CA Technologies. Today I'm going to show you as a developer how you can become more agile using service virtualization. In order for us to virtualize our endpoints, we're going to utilize a recorder which is going to capture the transactions, that being the payload, the metadata, and the behavior of the RESTful endpoints, while I'm exercising the inventory search. So I'm going to go back to DevTest Portal and configure my recorder. So I'm going to select on Virtual Service via Recording. Type in cars recorder. I'm going to tab through my screen here. As you can see, this three-step process is record, configure, and save. I'm going to select where my recorder should listen, and it's a local IP address. It automatically detects an open port for us, a nice little feature. And then the target host and port should be where your endpoints reside, right? The endpoints you want to virtualize. In this case, everything's running locally, so I'm going to enter the same IP. And we will tab, okay, to verify that it checks out, looks good. Now we're in recording state. And we have a 0 count for transactions. Now I'm going to go back to forward cars and reconfigure my endpoint to the recorder so we do capture those transactions for inventory search. Set our ESB. We will do a search, BMW search, do view details. We'll do a view of the VIN, and we'll get detailed information, and we'll go home. So you can see we've captured about 9 transactions here, several different types of RESTful calls. We will stop the recording. Next. So one of the things that service virtualization does for us automatically is that it detects the data format. In this case, identify the format to be REST. So it selected the REST data protocol handler. We'll go next. Now we're at the configuration, the DPH. Again, this is the page that gives us the ability to set our UI rules, how we're going to match. Default looks good, so we're going to go save and next. I'm going to save and deploy the virtual service. So now we're at the point where we virtualized our inventory search endpoints. Okay, let's do a quick refresh here. And we can see our cars recorder has been deployed. Okay. Since we've already reconfigured our forward cars endpoint to that particular port, and the port the virtual service is listening on, we can exercise the app to verify that it's functioning. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. BMW, view details, and you get the detailed information back. We'll look at the VIN. Again, we get detailed information back. As you can see, we exercise the app. We got 9 transaction count. We exercise the app as we need. That completes the end of our service virtualization demo. This is just one of the many ways that service virtualization can help you become more agile. For more information on service virtualization, please go to ca.com/SV. Thank you.